Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shafiq Ahmed from Britain International School System, Physics Department, Chapter number 17, Information and Communication Technology. The first question is fax machine. Fax machine, that is telefacsimilles of fax machines, are must for many business around the world. A fax machine basically scans a page to convert it text and graphics into electronic signals and transit it to other fax machine through telephone line. The receiving machine converts the signal and uses a printer, usually built-in, to create the copy of the message that was sent as shown in diagram. The second question is cell phone. Radio technology is applied in mobile phone. It is type of radio having two-way communications. A cell phone carries a radio transmitter and receiver inside it. It sends and receives the message in the form of radio waves. Cell phone networks system consists of cells and base stations and mobile switching centers. A base station is wireless communication station set up at a particular geographical locations. The geographical area covered by a single base station is known as a cell. The group of cells forms a cluster. All BISS base stations within a cluster are connected to a mobile switching center using landlines. What is photophone? Modern version of photophone or video phone is shown in figure. Contrary to a common telephone, users can see the pictures of each other by using the photo and phone numbers of our friends or family members on this telephone. We can call them by pressing the pad with their photos. Thus, we can communicate with our relatives or friends on photophone with the physical appearance of each other by using the 3G or 4G technology. Explain working of optical fiber. Optical fiber is a mode of communication in which large amount of data is transmitted in the form of light by using the rule of total internal reflection. Rule: when a ray of light enter from denser medium glass to a rare medium air and the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then the ray of light comes back to the denser medium. It is called total internal reflection. The structure of optical fiber. Optical fiber consists of hair-sized thread of glass or plastic. Through light can be traveled. The inner part of the optical fiber is called core. The refractive index of core is 1.53 and the outer layer is called cladding. Its refractive index is 1.39. And the optical fiber consists on 4 layers, which are core, cladding, buffer and jacket. Working. A light ray that enters the core at one end of the optical fiber goes straight and hits the cladding of the optical fiber. If the angle of incidence of the light smaller than the critical angle, light ray refracted, escape out from the optical fiber and lost. If the angle of incidence of light is greater than the critical angle, then the ray of light totally internally reflected into the core of the optical fiber. Advantage of optical fiber. The advantage of optical fiber is that it can be used for sending very high data rate over long distance. Due to this reason, optical fiber is better than wires. When electrical signal are transmitted through wires, the signal lost increase the data rate. What is computer? Explain it. Computer is an electronic computing machine used for adding, subtracting, or multiplying. Computer work through an interaction of hardware and software. Hardware refers to the parts of computer that you can see and touch. These include CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. What is CPU? The most important piece of hardware is the central processing unit that contains a tiny rectangular chip called microprocessor. It is the brain of computer, the part of that translates instructions and performs calculations. As shown in diagram, the parts of computer: CD-ROM drive, keyboard, CD-ROM, laser printer, floppy disk drive, monitor, CPU, memory, speaker, modem, and mouse. Operating system. Software refers to the instructions or programs that tells the hardware what to do. A word processing program that you can use the right letters on your computer is a type of software. The operating system is software that manages your computer and the devices connected to it. Two well-known operating systems are Windows and Linux operating system. Uses of computers. Computers play an important role in our daily life. In offices, computers are used for preparing letters, documents, and reports. In hotels, computers are used for advance booking of rooms, preparing bills, and providing inquiry services. In railway, computers are used for rail reservations, printing of tickets, and preparation of reservation charts. Doctors use computers for diagnosis, illness, and treatment of diseases. And there are many other uses in our daily life. Next question is information storage devices. A storage device is a device designed to store information in computer. Storage devices work on different principles using electronics, magnetism, and laser technology. Primary memory, it is based on electronic and consists of integrated circuits, ICs. It consists of two parts: read-only memory, ROM, which starts the computer, and random access memory, RAM, which is used in computer as temporary memory. RAM vanishes when the computer is switched off. Secondary storage devices. The data storage devices are generally secondary storage of the computer. It is used to store the data permanently in computer. When we open a program, data is moved from the secondary storage into primary storage. The secondary storage devices are audio-video cassettes and hard disks, etc. What is meant by powerful computer or supercomputer? The most powerful and swift computer which can send an information in 1000 billionth part of second is called supercomputer. It contains many processors. Internet, faster communication, big source of information, source of entertainment, access to social media, access to online services, email commerce, e-learning. What is electronic mail? One of the most widely used application of internet is electronic mail, which provides very fast delivery of messages to any enabled site on internet. Communication through email is more quick and reliable. Through our email, we can communicate with our friends and institutions with more ease and pace. Some advantage of email are as follows: fast communication, cost-free service, simple to use, more efficient, and versatile. We can send messages anywhere in the world instantly. Cost-free service: if we have an internet access, then we can avail the email service free of cost. Simple to use: after initial setup of email account, it is easy to use. More efficient, we can send our message to many friends or people only in one action. Versatile, pictures and other files can also be sent through email. Internet has proved to be very beneficial to us. Thank you.